What are the uses of AI
मेरा नाम
face
गौरव
expression
मालविका है
recognition?
और मेरा प्रोजेक्ट का नाम है फेस इमोशन रिकॉग्निशन। इस प्रोजेक्ट में मैं प्रोजेक्ट लीडर और इंफॉर्मेशन रिसर्चर हूँ। इस प्रोजेक्ट में हमने एक डाटाबेस क्रिएट किया है जिसमें हम इंसर्ट, अपडेट एंड बहुत सारी कमांड्स को डाल सकते हैं। जैसे कि आप स्क्रीन पे देख सकते हैं, इसमें हमने 8 तरीके की फेस एक्सप्रेशंस को लिए हैं, जिसमें हैप्पी, सैड, एंग्री, डिसगनीश एंड बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं। जिसमें से जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं स्क्रीन पे, हैप्पी हैप्पी में अगर यूज़र अपनी फ़ोटो क्लिक करके इसमें डालेगा तो वो बताएगा कि वो हैप्पी है, सैड है या कोई और अदर एक्सप्रेशन।
My name is Puneet. My team role is video producer and editor.
My name is Shivam. I am data expert and tester.
I am Mohammad Arman and my role in the team is prototype builder.
What are the uses of AI face expression recognition?
Customer service and support. AI face emotion recognition can be used to analyze customers' emotion during interactions, helping service agents understand customer satisfaction and resolve issues more effectively. This can be implemented in live chat systems, call centers, or even in store interactions. Healthcare and therapy. In mental health treatment or therapy, AI emotion recognition can track patient emotions over time, providing therapists with additional insight into emotional well-being. It can be also used as to detect early signs of mental health issues such as depression or anxiety. Marketing and advertising. Brands can use AI to analyze consumer reaction to ads, product, or campaign. Emotional recognition helps determine what content resonates emotionally with audiences, allowing companies to redefine their marketing strategies based on real-time feedbacks.
Emotions recognition have several uses across different industries and applications. So I will share some uses of AI. So first use is customer experience and retail. So how can use in customer experience? Emotion recognition can be used as gauge of frustration or confusion. So where we can apply this thing? So in physical stores through cameras or online shopping platform optimizes user experience by personalizing offers based on the emotional state of user. So here is the second use of AI based facial recognition. So in gaming industry, facial emotion recognition can be used to create interactive and immersive experience by adapting games content based on the player emotional.
Uses of AI face recognition. AI face recognition is used for identify verification, improving security systems, personalizing user experience, and enhancing customer services. It is applied in law enforcement, retail analytics, healthcare, and fraud prevention. The technology also assists in monitoring public space and tracking suspects. Where to use AI face recognition can be implemented in airports for border control, retail stores for customer analysis, a hospital for patient identification, school for attendance tracking, and offices for secure access management. It also beneficial in smart homes and transportation system for personalized use, interaction, and security. Thank you.
Recognition has several practical applications across various industries. Here are some key uses. First, security and surveillance. Identifies suspicious behavior in public places, enhance biometric authentication systems. Second, healthcare and mental health. Detect sign of depression, stress, or anxiety. Assist in autism and neurology.
Point of view. Number one, human computer interaction improves AI assistant by detecting user emotions, enhances virtual reality and gaming experiences. Second, education and e-learning monitors student engagement in online classes, adapt learning content, content based on student emotions. Number three, entertainment and media enhances interactive storytelling in movies and games.